Good morning from Happy Goat Farm. It is July 28th. It's going to be a super hot day, so let's do a little walkthrough. This is the patty pan and sunflower spot. The patty pans don't need to crawl up this lattice, but it does help for naughty doggies to not run through this area. The corn patch looks great. The pumpkins have slightly taken over, and it is just so full and lush. I have given up on weeding this side. I just gave up. It is what it is. And I don't know if it's because they got dry or they seem to be slightly less tall than the ones that I did put mulch down on. But these sunflowers are killing me right now. I am in love. I thought it said red branching sunflowers, but there's like chocolatey beautifulness. We have to get in and weed these blueberry plants. This is the Pinky Winky hydrangea starting to pop. And we do have some Casparita pumpkins. So these are supposed to be under a pound. Perfectly white pumpkins. And they are edible. Look at these little bee butts. Bees love these flowers. Wake up every morning to flower full of bee butts. I love it. And then down here, the parsnips are looking good. We'll revisit this situation. Look at this crazy beet. That's a Kyoja beet. Big news for this weekend was finishing the pepper house. So finally, all 4 rows have peppers in them. Of course, we have naughty doggies to run right through the said perfectly planted peppers. That's all right. These are looking great. These are all lilo peppers. So these will be purple peppers. I was planning on planting pumpkins up here this weekend, but it just didn't happen. So maybe this week I'll be able to pull it off. Cute little birds. The Brussels sprouts are still doing their thing, which is awesome. It's supposed to be 90 degrees today, so we watered these hard yesterday. And good luck, little Brussels sprouts. Good luck. And we spent some time in the greenhouse this weekend. We really only have 24 hours that we're actually able to get things done. It's a long, long weekend. We found these gross worms. Tomato worms are here. We pulled a bunch off of these pepper plants, which is unfortunate. And our dog, Rocky, is also eating our pepper plants, which is most unfortunate. But they look good. They're heavy with peppers. And then these are the volunteer tomato plants that we... Oh, little bastard. see that gross thing. That we repotted to see what they'll do. That's a no for me, dog. We also had plans to put things in the ground, so we have radicchio that'll go there. Guy harvested the rest of the radicchio, and then we harvested all the carrots. We got a ton of carrots, and that freed up some space for the cantaloupe to breathe a little bit. These are all volunteer tomatoes, and I'm just gonna let them do their thing. More cantaloupes. We do have some potted peppers that we're going to put in this end row at some point this week. The goal is to have all of this planted, seeds in the ground, soon. We have a lot of space left now, so stay tuned. We'll be putting beets. We're gonna try broccoli rabe again. We're gonna put more carrots in. And I was stoked that we had celery, but this celery is crazy bitter. So I'm not sure that's gonna work. All right, so that was it. That's our weekend update on the greenhouse and the caterpillar tunnel. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.